Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share with you our trip to Lake Naivasha, which is a picturesque freshwater lake located in the Great Rift Valley of Kenya, 90 kilometers northwest from Nairobi. The lake's serene beauty and abundance of wildlife make it a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. One of the main attractions of Lake Naivasha is its wildlife. The lake is home to over 400 species of birds, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. Visitors can spot a wide range of bird species including fish eagles, herons, pelicans, flamingos, among other birds. Apart from birds, visitors can also see a variety of animals such as hippos, zebras, giraffes. You can take a boat tour to enjoy this experience. The lake is surrounded by a variety of accommodations ranging from luxurious resorts to budget-friendly lodges. Visitors can choose to stay in a hotel or campsite and enjoy the beautiful scenery and wildlife. You can also stop here on your way to Nakuru and enjoy a nice meal after the boat tour. It is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Kenya. With its stunning scenery, abundance of wildlife and cultural significance, it is an unforgettable experience that is not to be missed. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.